I want to show y'all how quiet it is. Watch this right here. And I wasn't kidding. I'm the only one here. I am the only one here, and I was just filming with my GoPro here, and as soon as I set it down, there was a knock. And hello? Okay. I am the only one here, and I was just filming with my GoPro here, and as soon as I set it down, there was a knock. And hello? Okay. What's up, everybody? This is Sean with Suncoast Films. I'm at the NAS Pensacola Lighthouse. We're going to do a little tour. I do this every year when the blues are flying. It's going to get kind of loud here for a second. Here you go. Listen to the sound of freedom. Let's show you. Right there. So, it's a little crowded. The blues are flying right now, so walk with me. See what we can get into. The place is haunted. Okay, here we are. We're going to try to work around the noise a little bit. This is like my third time here, but I'm going to make the video fairly short, but full of information if we can. 19th century well right here, 1856. And the well invented early 1800s, but it probably dug the old-fashioned way by hand, and to have a convenient water supply. There it is. And I have I did a ghost hunt here a while back with a team from Texas, and we did get device drainages, EVPs. Man, we got crazy stuff. So let me show you this right here. Another look around before we go in. Look at this oak right here. Walking around. We're walking to the main part. And if you look right over there, there's the Gulf of Mexico. See the blue water right over there. Pretty cool. We're gonna walk over here now. So, pretty neat, pretty neat. So, let's walk in here, see what we got. Front porch right here. Look at that, man. Pretty cool. Take a few pictures here too. Walk around this way. That's part of the another look around. I'm not sure about that building right there though. That could be yeah, beautiful water over there. Let's walk in. It is so quiet in here. It's really quiet in here. Hello? Oh God, look at that baby right there. Can't believe how quiet it is. I heard a knock. I guess it's Nimitz. Alright, we're gonna keep walking around. There's one of the other rooms here. This has just got a lot of display things in it. Looks like a flyer for Coast Guard and Navy women recruitment ad. And like I said, I was with the team from Texas many years ago. Probably 15 years ago they were here, to 12 years ago. And wow, they're making a lot of noise downstairs. Anyway, complete device drainage. So we're gonna keep walking while the noisy ones are here. It was good while it lasted. So I was filming with this camera right here. This is my full spectrum camera. And I'm also filming with my phone. I do multi filming everywhere. Set everything down and there was a knock and some people just walked in downstairs being very loud. The public, you know, what do you do, right? I'm kidding. I had the first 20 minutes here by myself. So we're gonna try to get down to the basement right now and let it die down a little bit, so. So quiet. This is the knee of the USS Constitution. I like how they have the water effect there. 18th century US Navy frigate Constitution, a knee to support the beam, embracing the support. Amazing. And down here is where we got the device drainage. So if my GoPro just shuts down, then it shuts down. So here it is. There's no doubt if you're down here. I mean, look, what's beyond that door right there? So we're gonna wrap it up here, and I'm gonna do an EVP session real quick, but I wanted to show you this. It's pretty interesting. There's an outlet in the fireplace and a prop inside the fireplace. That's got to be pretty interesting. So this is another room here that just has some information about the Coast Guard and the war, and I mean it's pretty neat. And I'm all part of the history, you know, but Coast Guard thing right there, and used to hold a personal aloft, a boatswain's chair, along with block and tackle, operating the principal mechanical advantage. Boatswain's chair enables a crew member to comfortably and safely work on a rigging high above the ship's deck. There be right there. We're gonna walk down towards the basement now. There's a giant lens called the 4th order Fresnel lens. And this one is an exhibit not ready yet, but look at this fireplace right here. And I know it's informative, you know, very informative, but I would love to see some old furniture in here. Look at that, that's an access door right there. Look at that. So, there's a whole bunch of lighthouses right here. So, moving on. All right, Sean Suncoast Films. Thanks for joining me out here. This is like my 3rd time out here. I didn't want to make the video very long. I just wanted to show you some things of how some things, the loud knock I got in the basement. I mean, as soon as I set my camera down again, it happened again. So, anyway, Sean Suncoast Films. See you later. See you in the next video. Peace.